DRTs. We got the new week open gap fib, 537.25, and then we got 552.75 DRT level.
Tap that upper gap. Looks like we're closing back into this one, which looks really good. Last candle just tapped 25% of the hourly bearish run.
Great closes for those candles. Now we need some fucking juice, bro. Come on, man.
Closed inside that longest candle, 951. Yes, better take pre-market low though first.
Right under the DRT. Very nice.
Yeah, I got a DRT right up here.
Are you in this?
Yeah. You're not in this?
Yeah, I'm in this.
Oh, I got a DRT right here at 24,558 that we keep projecting. So
I
4 hour.
got one at 552 that it has yet to close above.
Yeah. I really feel like the draws to them equal lows, the two prior month lows, type 2 range, I mean bearish S&T. Our stop is above the three candles, so
We got
no
red
data.
folder today.
No data. Red folder was at 7:30.
I really like the closes we're getting according to this DRT. This really makes me feel good about this trade. The DRT and first Virginia gap, we done got 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks, or three, damn near four.
Yeah, also those highs that we took were kind of like right after 7:30, so I'm kind of looking at them as data highs, and we also had this accumulation inside this order block, manipulation of those highs, and this should be distribution.
My break even point is if we take that low at whatchamacallit,
9/11,
852.
852, yeah.
Well, I mean, you could go 911 too, or yeah. I mean, you could do it or not. I'm just doing 852 because it's the lower of the two. But It's looking like this shit wants to fill and give like a death candle, but it's just waiting to.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm really liking this setup. We just bounced out at 950. We bounced off the order block we created off the prior week low. But I'm fading that out, just taking into account we have a bearish SMT along with accumulation, manipulation, and then we have the displacement and whatnot.
With the, it hasn't been able to close 50% of the breaker either. It's with that a couple of times.
Yeah.
Bro, we like gotta get a death candle if TP's this far. Like this is we're gonna go slow for the candles to be like this.
Yeah, it's looking like it's gonna take this pre-market low right now. Faded 50% of that breaker really nicely too. I'm debating if I'm gonna go break even if ES take on this prime this previous market low or pre-market low. And,
It's coming up on the November 25th low too.
yeah, I think that's the same one. Got. Yep. I kind of looking at that as a pre-market I mean a New York Open. But I mean I can fade that. As soon as yeah, as soon as we take these pre-session lows, I'm fine with moving break even. Pre
370. It's really 370, but I'm doing 375. For sure. 150, risking 72 to get 157. So very it's 1 to 2 for sure. TP is you'll make $630 if you enter when we entered in. Yeah, I got in on y'all did.
I really don't want to see it close this gap right here. I really don't want to see that happen.
Yeah, the gap after the displacement would be nice.
So we can just continue to be algorithmic.
Algorithmic, if we're rhythmic, I'm just say rhythmic. I could be too long. If we're rhythmic, shouldn't even come above that minor high.
Yeah, yes.
I did on that upper gap.
Yeah, the only reason I get stopped out here is because ES took that pre-market low. Bullish SMT. She's having a very strong reaction right now.
I think we'll be alright.
Yeah, I mean this model should definitely still be in play.
We just whip that. We keep whipping that same spot. Like that's such a good sign in my opinion. Like that's a great close. Like oh my god.
Yeah, but you know, once you have that close, that shit followed by a nice green candle. We are wicking right in that area with them. It's crazy how you got a DRT right there, and then I also got a DRT right there, and we're just wicking it. Not one close, wicking 50% too. of that breaker.
And first presented too. Like there's
Yeah.
a lot going on in that area. I said respecting it every single candle for us.
Yeah, and I
I feel
also
like
have
that's a very good.
yeah, and I also have 25% of the hourly fair value gap that we're in. The one from 3 a.m. That's the mid candle. It's a lot of confluence right there for sure.
So if we take this low, are you going break even or minor low? I mean
Minor high.
minor.
Um, if we close
Well,
below,
I can tell you the risk would be if we went minor high, you'd be risking about 100.
mm, that's half risk reduced right there. This gap
Man,
kind of,
once it takes that low, it should bleed, bro. It should bleed.
I think it'll run there, honestly. This gap is getting respected really nicely, even though you know how like we'll close over it just barely, but it'll still get respected. I really like seeing that. I want to see it
I think you
close
rebound.
below this breaker block, bro. It ends at 455. But regardless, I think moving stop to that short term high at 951 would be valid once we take those lows. Holy fuck,
I
bro,
love
this shit getting
oh,
volatile as fuck, gang.
taking a big volatile towards my fucking TP.
Got a volume imbalance here, both on ESN and Q. We just tapped 50% of this breaker block that we created.
35% of this weekly fair value gap is what's holding us right here. I think if we can get through this, the cruising down to the break even point or moving stops. Just get me to where I can move my stop and I'm happy, bro. We're almost there.
We got a five. The only higher time frame gap below us too is this tiny 5 minute that 850 candle, that low where we're gonna break even at. That's where it's at. So I think going or moving stop at that low is definitely valid. Give us a
At the
close. Are we sitting here wicking 50% of this breaker? I need to see like increased selling like right here, bro. Should be pretty volatile in
yeah,
my
I want to
opinion.
see like some hard selling pressure, bro. Break through this damn wall.
And I hope we just don't go ahead and take these equal highs we put in first though at 9:51 and 10 a.m. Like them short term highs. Have we put in like a 5 minute or anything? No. We got a
And the
30
only
minute.
level I got right here, like that's not like a fair value gap or anything, is 75% of this weekly gap, and we keep wicking it right here. And oh, where this new week open gaps in at 446.5, that's a huge spot too, because that's also a weekly DRT too, like exact same number, like exact same.
Mm. I think we're gonna run these equal highs first, if anything.
Yeah, that will surprise me.
And now we got triple bottoms. Yeah, shit is literally equal. If we're expecting short-term high, short-term low, though, we shouldn't even take that high at 10 a.m. Yeah. Yeah, I know how you be telling me you be sweating during trading. This the first time I've been sweating my ass off during trading.
I always do like it. Only like I don't even know. It's like not because I be nervous or anything. Like it don't even matter, bro. It's just like I don't get it. Like I really don't.
We expected 25%, nice. Oh,
Like how this camera
this
closes
nigga,
up too.
this nigga TJR in shorts right now with this nigga.
Maybe
Yeah, I'm weak as fuck, bro. These niggas up though. This nigga up like 4 bands. No way we don't get a nice red candle right there.
where the death candle at, man? Where that Diddy candle at?
So I'm risking 72 handles. So stop would be like 144. Is that right? I mean TP would be 144, right? Something like
Oh,
that.
are you risking one or two contracts?
Two.
If you're doing two contracts, it's about $288 stop loss.
One not. But I was talking about 1 to 2. TP would be 144 type shit.
That's what you meant. I thought you were saying you're setting the honor.
Oh no, no. But we're bouncing right up this midpoint on this breaker every single time.
Come on, man. This is fucking ridiculous, bro. Why are making us like all the wicks are in our favor too? Like that's why I'm not really stressing about this trade, just because like the wicks really be telling a story sometimes. But like, damn, just get this shit over with, bro.
This might be one of them trades. I really only think we should go up to them equal highs though, is really what I'm thinking, bro. That's really what's playing in my head right now.
Bro, the way I'm looking at it is like kind of one of those scenarios. Like remember like a couple weeks ago where it came and took the highs real quick. Like remember when I got whipped out?
Yeah, I remember that.
Like I'm kind of looking at it as that scenario.
Yeah, we could be in this shit for a minute, gang. But I just don't feel like we should. That's the only thing, bro.
If we come and take the lows from here, I don't know which mine or how I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna just go minus high because $130 not really crazy, and that gives my trade a chance to gives my trade just a chance to touch everything before that pop. Hopefully we can take it right here.
Bro, what's up with these late ad notifications on Apex, bro?
Yeah, I don't like how that shit is doing that shit, baby. That should be scaring the fuck out of me, bro. It's like this happened to me too.
Bro, I do not like how we're respecting this order block. I mean breaker.
Bro, I don't like how we're respecting this 75% of this weekly fair value gap, bro. We've done got a lot of bullish wicks. off this shit. Like we've yet to get one close.
I'm saying, bro. Like we keep wicking
Or
20.
like, well, actually, it did close one time, but it immediately came back up.
Bro, we done
But
with
shit, we still
25% of this new week. We done with
go pretty well.
25% of this new week opening gap like 40 fucking times. Like if we don't get it a hard sell here, I'd be surprised. Honestly.
Yeah, that right where that starts too. That's a BPR. I just noticed that
Yeah.
right where that new week opening gap is. That's BPR plus our variance gap plus IFED. Back at break even, bro. Nice.
Yeah, we might see a run in these highs right now. Look at this 5 minute volume bounce on ES. We've worked it so much on this 1 minute.
Another great candle close.
No way that's not like the high, like no way that's not like the end all be all before we see lows, bro. All right.
These great candle closes. One of these great candle closes is gonna give us a fucking Diddy candle, bro.
No cap. Bro, we keep bouncing right off this breaker. We like respected every level in this shit. If I could see just one close below 50% of this breaker, I'd feel so good. I really like that last candle though, how we kind of ran some minor liquidity. Perfect
Usually
close.
that's what you need for making that move.
Yeah.
Right? Let's be able to move our stops right here, bro. Like fuck. Give me to move my stop and I can sit in this a lot more longer.
Tap that gap right there. Give it to us right here, gang. Triple bottom, bro. Like, come on, gang.
Target up nicely on the day.
Yeah, I seen it. I don't even give a fuck about Target right now.
Yeah, I'd be forgetting. Not dead ass be forgetting this type of shit. I would have never if I didn't see that type of motherfucker. Probably wouldn't even be looking at this shit.
I'm gonna go ahead and kick back, bro. This might be a long ass day, bro.
We starting to set up a little trend pattern right here, though. If we could get the spilling, so a pattern that's building up might give us some speed. Comes back to break even. I low key don't give a fuck about it. I'm gonna have one more.
You said what?
I don't give a fuck about Vicky's account. If the shit comes back break even, I'm buying more. Hopefully make more money. I've really been telling myself like next time I get a setup, I'm gonna risk hella. But I keep fucking forgetting, man. I keep fucking forgetting. what we was waiting on. Maybe that's what we was waiting on. Come on, bro.
Give me a close below this midpoint of this breaker. I feel so good.
Yeah, or at least below the 75% level. Looking like
Give
it's
us
on wick right back up.
yeah displacement too. We're looking the bottom 25%. Oh, there we go. That's the close right there. I need it.
That's a decent close. Come on. Just a little bit lower. A little bit lower.
Man, it took that first low.
I didn't know I was gonna get put in this position, bro. Where it takes the low I didn't want, but not the low I wanted.
I mean, if you look, it's been respecting the high, low, short-term high, short-term low. I mean, it'd make it easier if it was just take it.
Yeah,
like, holy
just make
shit.
it easy on me, please, bro. I hate having to make these. Sometimes it could be costly decisions. Come on, it's right there, gang. It's right there. Come on, you.
There we go.
There we go.
All right.
There we go. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you.
Moving my stop to the 951 candle at 568.
Only risking 34 handles or about 35.
Yeah, really like 15 on some shit.
68 is exactly 1 point above.
All right, ES just took, we'll tap that old low from November, but I really don't look at that as too much valid liquidity. Depending on how well we push through it, I'm staying in.
I think we're also about. I think like 50 fucking points. And we're up 100 hand.
One more minute of below, one more minute here, and we can get it closed below this 5 minute. It's this the only bigger time frame fair value gap I see in our way right now.
You doing 1 to 2? Or
Yeah, I'm either at four. There's a one minor low at 406.50. I might close there.
I'm honestly just do 1 to 2. Hit 145 handles. Get her that 182nd.
Yeah, my TP at 406.50, or actually 406. Judging on how close I am to TP, I don't want to go break even just yet. ES gave a close below that liquidity.
This is either gonna stop me at 100. I don't think I'm gonna go break it. This is either gonna give me TP or stop me out at 100 and for the 100 and whatever dollars that is.
Mm. We could spill here. That'd be amazing, bro. We just tap
TP is
that.
$585. I think we finna just spill and get it here pretty soon. Don't manipulate my TP to where you got me on the computer all fucking day, bro. That's all I ask. I'm out right there.
Yeah, I'm out right there.
That's my 45.
That's my TP.
$70 for my payout.
There we go.
Should have had that motherfucker.
Good shit, boy. Good shit.